Numbers counting up on page load. Most people reach for JavaScript. You don't have to. CSS can count, and with that property, it can animate that count smoothly. CSS has always had counters. They power the numbers in ordered lists. Counter reset sets a value, counter reads it as text. But you can use them for anything. The trick? Combine this with a property. Register an integer variable, animate it with at keyframes, and pipe it into counter reset. The integer variable animates. Counter reset reads it every frame. Counter renders the current value. The number counts up. In pure CSS, add k plus or % in the content string. At property plus counter. Animated counting numbers in pure CSS. No JavaScript. No libraries. Just CSS, being smarter than most people think. If you want to see more videos, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.